continues with No Wait Weather.
And let's start off with our map. As of right now, you can see the frontal boundary that is going to make its way through over the next 3 to 5 hours, stretching from the Northern Valley all the way back down here to west of Jamestown. First off, let's take a look at where we are having the thunderstorms as of right now. Some stronger storms with heavy rain, lots of lightning, and possibly some hail and some gusty winds stretching from the Grand Forks area up north toward the Canadian border. Right now affecting portions of Kittson, Marshall, and Roseau County, but Walsh and portions of northwestern Grand Forks County. Also getting some thunderstorm activity as of right now. Nothing severe from this one as of yet. We are watching an area basically from the Carrington area, points off to the south, approaching the South Dakota border right now. You can see the frontal boundary starting to set up and some showers developing. No lightning as of yet, just off to the north of the Jamestown area. This is the area that we are looking at for possible strong to severe storms, and this activity will continue to make its way through if it does develop, moving into the Southern Valley and then eventually Lakes Country until it's out of our viewing area just before daybreak. That's what we have as of right now on the radar. Tornado watch in effect from Carrington south toward the South Dakota border. This is through 1 a.m. and it basically is from Bismarck to Jamestown as of right now. We will see if the Storm Prediction Center does issue another watch going through the overnight. Current temperatures ranging from the lower 70s out toward Bemidji, some areas close to the South Dakota border into the mid 80s as of right now, and we do have the heat and the humidity too. Dew point values across most of our Minnesota counties into the mid 60s to near 70, but lower to mid 70s out west, out toward the Devil's Lake area and the Jamestown area. Just oppressive humidity that will serve to fuel these thunderstorms that do develop. Surface winds mainly from the southeast around 10 to 20 miles per hour, but as you can see, Jamestown and points off to the west have flipped around to more of a northwesterly direction. That is the clashing of the air masses that is going to cause the severe weather for tonight. Here's what we have on the surface map. We are in a warm sector as of right now. Strong southerly winds with a cold front making its way through, and we just need a little more lifting, and areas from Jamestown, Valley City, points off to the south could see some severe weather, but everybody across our viewing area as this front makes its way through between now and daybreak tomorrow has a good chance of seeing some strong to severe thunderstorms. Here's the hour-by-hour forecast with that line developing and making its way through. We're going to have storms into the Northern Valley, but we are definitely focusing on the area Jamestown, Valley City south, discrete cells possible of producing possibly tornadoes, and it could form into a line that could be a wind maker as it makes its way through Fargo and then eventually Lakes Country later on. After we get past this, it looks like a nice day on Sunday. Partly cloudy skies, still seasonably warm. Some of us seeing a good amount of sunshine with highs getting into the mid 80s. 85 your high into the Fargo area. That wind from the north around 10 to 20 miles per hour, and low to mid 80s most everywhere else, and mainly a dry day for the day on Monday. Can't rule out a passing shower. They will be isolated though, as Monday's highs into the lower 80s, which is still not bad for this time of year. Let's take a look at the extended forecast. There's your nice conditions, but seasonably warm for Sunday and Monday. Partly cloudy skies, lower 80s, and then we get back to the chance of some showers and thunderstorms. Partly cloudy Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, but temperatures cooling off. Mid 80s on Tuesday, but upper 70s Wednesday and for July 4th on Thursday. And then mainly dry approaching next weekend. Partly cloudy to mostly sunny, and temperatures not bad for this time of year, into the lower 80s.
So it looks like the majority of our concerns are tonight.
Tonight, between now and daybreak, especially if you live in the southern half of our viewing area and off to our southwest.
All right. Well, thank you, Justin.